Hi authors, कैसे हैं आप? How are you doing? और आपकी बुक राइटिंग जर्नी कैसी चल रही है? How is the book writing journey going on? और I work with thousands of authors and I keep talking to them when they are stuck. I keep talking to them when they are not writing. So I have decided to give you a challenge to write a book in 30 days. Yes, it's not a mere challenge. I will be supporting you in the process because I've gone through a process of being author and have taken through on this process of multiple people. I have decided to come up with a 30-day challenge called Bookathon. So Bookathon word is inspired from marathon. You know, I've been to marathon also, and when I run marathon, when I get tired and I feel not to jog or run, I start walking. But because there are so many people with me, so group energy starts playing a lot of role, and I finish the bookathon and the marathon when I'm doing it. On the same concept, I decided if a lot of people are writing book together in sitting in their houses and their offices, but they report every day, inspire each other, so the book writing becomes very easy process because you know you're not alone writing. There are multiple people writing on the same day, same activity, same task. So how the Bookathon is going to work is it starts on every month's first and going to finish on every month's or 30th. And I'm going to give you a task a day. So you will be assigned a course in my digital academy, and there you will see a course called Bookathon. When you open that course, every day you will be able to see one video. So when the day one, you can see day one video. When you there do day two, you see day two video. You cannot see a videos which are going to come in future. So that the role what you're going to play in Bookathon is you are going to see the video for the day. You listen, and there are some tasks given for you to be finished. You go ahead entire day, finish those tasks. You cannot sleep till you have done the task I'm telling you, because next day a next task is going to come. You don't have a choice. And in the days, as when the day ends, what you're supposed to do is to report back and say you did the task. So when I give you instruction in the video, I'll be telling you what you have to report end of the day. Both things has to be done together. Okay. So you get the instructions in the morning, do the task in the night before sleeping, give me the instruction. That's a rule number one. Rule number two is you can only be participating the Bookathon from the first only. You cannot in between join the Bookathon. If you are registered for the course in between, then you have to wait for the next Bookathon to start. Every month we are going to run a Bookathon, but you do not get chance to participate every month's Bookathon. You get only 3 chances to participate in a Bookathon. I won't allow you to go ahead for more than 3 Bookathons, because if you cannot finish in 90 days, I don't know when will you finish. So you do not have a choice more than thrice. If you finish, well, I love people who are committed, and I want to give you a gift. Anyone who commits, finish, I want to give them a gift. And gift from my side is if you finish writing your book in 30 days in the first attempt of Bookathon, then your first 50 books will be printed by me and my company. So it's a gift from my side. 50 books printing cost would be on us because you finished Bookathon in 30 days in first attempt. That's how the gift is, and it's a very lucrative gift. So ideally, entire money is refunded back to you. So that's a gift from my side. If you are interested participating in the Bookathon, there is a link given below. Please fill the form so I know that you are interested in the Bookathon. So I can create your user ID password for Bookathon course, and you will get an access for the course. That's number 2. I will be having a question answer round. Any question you have in your mind on the Bookathon, then definitely we'll have a question answer round on 29th of this month, a day prior when Bookathon starts. And this question answer round would only be attended by people who are attending the Bookathon. It is not open for all. Next is, why am I inviting you to Bookathon? This is not the open program, so anyone and everyone can attend. This program is only applicable to my close family members. You are my family member because you are part of my digital academy. You purchased course there, or you have already done an offline program with me called a book writing boot camp. So your structure was done there in person. So either of these people can participate in the bookathon and get the instructions every day, finish writing the book, win a gift from my side, and win a life of being author. Win a life of being an author and enjoy the prosperous life of being author entire life. Thank you very much, and fill a form below if you are really interested to participate in Bookathon and attend the questions round which is happening on 29th. Thank you very much. See you on questions round, and I want to see you being author in next month. Thank you very much. Bye bye.